Welcome to Chemistry Corner. Today, we're diving into the zesty world of lemons. This common fruit is packed with fascinating chemistry and surprising health benefits. Let's slice into it. Lemons, scientifically known as citrus X limon belong to the Rutaceae family. Their vibrant yellow color and tangy flavor come from a rich blend of chemical compounds. The star player in lemon chemistry is citric acid, making up about 5% of lemon juice. But there's more to lemons than just citric acid. They contain ascorbic acid, better known as vitamin C. Lemon peels are a treasure trove of compounds like limonene, a major component of the essential oil, which gives lemons their distinctive scent. It's not just aromatic, it's also been studied for its anti-inflammatory and potential anti-cancer properties. Lemon juice mixed with honey isn't just a tasty drink, it's a natural remedy for sore throats. Did you know that lemons can help prevent kidney stones? In the kitchen, lemon's acidic nature makes it a versatile ingredient. Whether you're enjoying it as a refreshing drink or using it to boost your meals, lemons offer a blend of flavor and health benefits. Their chemistry is not only fascinating but also incredibly beneficial.